And then...
Oh my gosh. Hi, my name is Ainara. I work in construction management, and today I'm here to get a general adjustment, but I also have noticed that my lower back hurts. So I want to see what I can do to see if it feels better. I feel like tension was released like up here. I almost feel like I can rotate my neck further on both sides.
What do you notice just from standing right now?
Honestly, my lower back doesn't hurt. Like when I was explaining to you, it was hurting.
Yeah.
Right now, it doesn't hurt. Let me sit the same way I was sitting. It doesn't hurt.
Okay.
Like, actually, it doesn't hurt at all.